Hi, it's JoElla, Milan licensed esthetician. Today I'm going to talk to you about natural fat pads in your face. I've talked about this before in other videos, but you know, the reason I'm bringing it up now is that I was watching TV the other day and I saw one of my very favorite actresses of many years. She just had her face with injectables in her cheeks, and it looked so awful. I wanted to cry. Her cheeks were so full that she couldn't even talk the way she usually does, you know. And to me, that's not attractive, you know, because the whole time you're looking at her, you're thinking, why did you do that to your face, you know? Because I thought she looked beautiful before that, but I know everybody wants to try to stay looking as young as they can, and believe me, I'm the first one to admit that. But, you know, if you use the right products on your skin and you stay with them, you're going to have great results. And either you're not going to need injectables, or if you do, you can use a lot less and use products that are going to make the results last a lot longer so that you don't have to do that with your face. And that's why I want to talk to you today about this. I've gone over some of my products that I love, that I've used for years, that actually work, you know, and I know they work because I use them. And I'm really happy with my fat pads in my face. I haven't, you know, as I age, I haven't lost my fat pads. That's because of the products I use. So I want to share with them now and give you some tips. And you don't need them all, but you know, whatever your budget will allow. They're all very affordable. But you know, use what you can. Start where you can. That's what I tell everybody. Start where you can, and I'm always there to help you. You know, it gives me nothing more. Nothing makes me more happy than to have you have great results on your skin, so that you too can be happy with how you look and how you feel. So some of the ones right now I'm going to talk to you about are the Viktoria De Ann, which is, I feel like, the product line that changed my face more than anything. And I'll start with their eye serum, which is my very favorite product in the world. And this one, you can use it, you know, under the eye and on the crow's feet and on the lids. I use mine even on my eyebrows. And this is going to help with your fine lines and wrinkles, help diminish them. It actually plumps it up. It looks so good. You know, it plumps it and it makes them really firm, and your wrinkles just sort of go away. You know, it takes about 3 months, so I don't want to tell you this happens overnight. It takes about 3 months. That's how long it took me. And it might be sooner, but, you know, so that's the one. The next product that's really good is their Pepti Hyaluronic Acid, or Pepti Hyaluronic. And hyaluronic acid in general is excellent. There's some great brands out there, and there's some really cheap brands that don't do anything to your skin. So just because it says hyaluronic acid doesn't mean that it works. And this one, I love it. It works with your own amino acids in your skin. It helps you create your own hyaluronic acid. And that's why when you use this, the results are so good. So hyaluronic acid plumps the skin. So keep that in mind. So if you're not using a hyaluronic acid, I would suggest one. I love this one. Another one that I really like, which I'm going to put the link below, is by Saian. They have a pure hyaluronic acid that it's one of my favorites, and I sell tons of it. You know, it's thick, and it's so pure, and it just goes on really nice. So that's another one that I suggest for you. And then this product is a must-have. This is Pepti Pad, and what this does, it helps increase the natural fat pads in your face. So what I suggest is you use it under the eye, because you get that little hollow look there. It helps even it out. So you want to put it under the eyes, you know, on the cheek area. I literally put it all everywhere. But, you know, you want it on the cheek area and in this area right here. I've mentioned that in another video. This area here is bony, and the fat pad seems to dissipate in that area. So you want to use it there. Put it on your lips too. You'll see a difference. If you use it on your lips every day, with the natural fat pad, you'll see it helps with the lines and the wrinkles, and it just makes your lips appear more plump. So, and all of these, for me, I suggest twice a day. If you come to the point that you're happy with your results, you can go down to once a day. For me, I still do it twice a day. I figure I need all the help I can get. So, Pepti Pad. Another great one is the Pepti Tone. Now, Pepti Tone works almost like Botox. It softens the wrinkles. It doesn't paralyze them like your other what I was just mentioning, and it's injectables. I'm sorry, but anyway, it doesn't paralyze the face. But what it does, it just relaxes those wrinkles, and it tones and firms the skin. So it just gives you such a great look. And I use it, again, I use it all over my face, even around my eyes. I use this everywhere. So, Pepti Tone. And another product is by osmosis. It's called Recovery. Now, it's an internal product. You do not take it topically. But I've had the best results with my clients. You know, you take it and it helps restore the natural fat pads in the skin. It's just, Dr. Johnson has worked on it for years and years, and I have another video on that, which I'll link below. And I highly suggest that. That is made specifically for the natural fat pad areas. And as he knows, Dr. Johnson, that our face, we start losing the natural fat pad. And you can see that in yourself. You look at old pictures, you have that full face, and as you age, it just, it gets thinner and thinner. So you've got to really work on that. So these are my suggestions, and I highly recommend them, and I'm so easy to reach. I would love to hear from you. You can send me a email, or you can call me on my toll-free number, and I'm so happy to help you and give you suggestions or guide you towards products that I feel might work for you. Everybody can look wonderful. There's no reason why you can't, but you just have to stick with it and trust that it'll work. And then watch some of the other great tutorials out there on your makeup and that, and you're going to look better than ever. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.